Have you ever heard of a slaughter? I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up in one of your videos or something? You know I can still get in. Check this out.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. My name is Dr. Ross and IK is in the building.
International King. We're gonna get into our She's Hot contest for today. We know you guys have been waiting for it for the whole week, and it is here. We're gonna be breaking ground with the She's Hot contest by having a Korean bodybuilder our winner for this week.
Exactly, South Korean female bodybuilder who won the 2013 Arnold Classics of Women's Physics Competition, Miss Jin Yeon Woo. Hopefully we didn't butcher your name.
Or as they call her here, the King Kong Barbie.
Exactly, just made me want to throw something because she's the King Kong Barbie. She's not playing around.
And
she will fight Godzilla.
And we're not talking about training day.
King Kong ain't got shit on me!
Let's get into our hot topics because once again, congratulations to Miss King Kong Barbie and for Miss Jin Yeon Woo. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. Yes, speaking of King Kong and Godzilla, King Kong and Godzilla, the movie, it was sold out completely when IK and I went to go watch it. The film allegedly made about $1 million the first day of box office openings in theaters.
Dr. Ross, I feel like they may have made $100 million, but it could have been, who knows, they might have made less because of the HBO Max mixture, where it's on HBO Max and in movie theaters.
True, I think they were counting the sales of in the theaters because just on the Hulu, like you were saying, IK, Eddie Murphy's movie Coming to America made $100 million just in one night on Hulu by itself. So
and on Amazon Prime, let me clarify.
Amazon Prime, that's what I meant. So.
But Dr. Ross, I'd still rather see it in the big screen on the theaters.
Exactly, nothing beats the luxury lounges. Let's get into our next and final hot topic. We're going to speak on Britney Spears. So, IK, what do you want to say about Britney Spears?
This is exactly what I've been waiting for. This is exactly, I don't mean to sound like Cat Williams, but this is exactly what I've been waiting for.
We love it.
She was saying on her Instagram story that she's actually fine and her mental health is perfect.
She even went so far as saying that the Framing Britney, she had never watched it, but the few clips that she saw were so embarrassing that she was crying for 2 weeks long.
Dr. Ross and I would like to be we'd like to be your proteges, the brand new generation.
Yes, Brittany, we're telling you the truth because obviously the people around you are not telling you the truth. So IK and I are telling you the truth from our hearts, from the kindness of our hearts, because Brittany, we love you. You're an icon, you're a legend, and you're a star in the making. If they want to say they're framing Brittany or Brittany was set up to do some stuff, that's what the people are going to say because the people are going to talk about the legends.
Doc, we want to bring you back to the spotlight in a positive light.
Yes. Let's close it off, IK, because once again, congratulations to Miss Jin Yeon Woo. Hopefully I'm not butchering your name.
And we're just going to keep on saying the King Kong Barbie.
That's right. Congratulations to Miss King Kong Barbie. Keep looking fit, keep throwing off chairs, and keep winning those medals and awards because we'll look for you now. The She's Hot contest, once again, just to clarify, is always sponsored by Playboy International, and it's around the world, global, chose from millions and millions of girls every single day. But the votes came in, and the votes showed that this was our winner for today, King Kong Barbie. Let's close off, IK.
Take a photo, and I might even have to give a call to Miss King Kong Barbie. I wonder if she's still working out right now.
Tell them to bring me my money.
Yeah! That's for you, Kylie Jenner. We'll see you in Beverly Hills this next week.
I love LA.
Happy April Fools. Don't get fooled and don't get nobody throwing stuff in your hair, but we'll see you in California.
Exactly.